Good morning, class. This video is for class 4th English literature. We have started a story, Who is the Strongest, and we have completed till page number 22 all paragraphs. So for a quick recap, the Khargosh wanted to play a trick on both of them. So he has already convinced the Hathi, and now he went to Vibhuti to convince her. Now let's talk about what the conversation goes on between them. Vibhuti smiled and replied, Yes, little fellow, I'm strong today and every day I rule all the creatures of the sea. Okay, now the Vibhuti started telling that how strong she is, and she is actually ruling over all the creatures of the sea, as the Hathi was actually ruling over all the creatures of the land. Now she is telling about where she used to rule. Of course, responded Khargosh respectfully. That's why I have come to you with my small problem. Now, saying, of course, you are actually very strong, and that's why, with all my respect, I've come to you because I have a small problem and I want your help. What can I do to help? Asked the mighty whale. The whale started telling that, okay, fine. What is your help? What do you want? It's my best cow. She's stuck deep in the mud at the end of the forest. I can't get her out. I'd like to tie one end of this rope around your tail and the other end around my cow. When I beat this drum, I want you to pull hard so that my cow comes out of the mud. The same thing and the same trick he wanted to play, so he has given the same excuse to Vibhuti as well, that a cow has been struck in the mud at the end of the forest, and what he wants to do is to tie one end of the rope to the tail of the Vibhuti and the other one around the cow, and when he will start beating the drum, the Vibhuti has to pull hard so that the cow will come out from the mud. Of course, I'll help, said Vibhuti. That's such a simple thing to do. Vibhuti, after listening that what she had to do, she said that it's very simple and I can do this for you. She swam closer up onto the beach so that Khargosh would tie the long rope to her massive tail. And now for this, she came closer to the shore so that the Khargosh can tie the one end of the rope to her tail. Pull hard when you hear my signal, said Khargosh as he ran back into the forest. And he just instructed that you have to pull hard when you will listen up the sound of the drum, so that you have to pull you have to use your strength so that the cow will come out from the mud. He began beating the drum loud and hard, boom, 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 and now he started beating the drum. As the sound of the drum was heard by Hathi the elephant in the forest and Vibhuti the whale in the sea, they both began pulling with their strength. Now, there was no cow. One end was actually tied with the elephant's leg and one at the tail of the Vibhuti. So now when he started beating the drum, the Hathi in the forest and the Vibhuti in the sea, they actually started using their strength on both of us, on each other. Like he was pulling, the Vibhuti was pulling the Hathi and the Hathi was pulling Vibhuti. Now we will complete till here on page number 23. We'll move on to the next and the next video.